Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in today's video I want to show you another video on how to make money with TeeSpring, but this video will be different because I want to show you two traffic methods. I want to show you two free traffic methods to get sales with TeeSpring. Actually, TeeSpring recently released a guide on how to promote with Instagram, which you can see here, and Pinterest, and I will be applying what I've learned on those guides so that you can then obviously do the same and make money with TeeSpring with free traffic. Yes, so it will involve obviously having an audience on Instagram. I have an audience on Instagram of 6,198 followers, actually almost 6,200 followers, which to get to this amount of followers, it took me like half a year or 5 months. With a technique, it should take you more time to get this amount of followers. Actually, I know people who are at 50k followers and they have their account for 2 years, and I also know people from with the time period of 1 year and they have 100k followers. It's very relative and it depends on the technique you use to grow your following. Yes, in today's video, yes, I'm going to show you a technique that I use to grow my following. Don't worry, it's not follow for follow does not work, or it works but not how it worked back in the day when Instagram was released, and it's a bad way to grow your following. Even on Pinterest it works, but not as on Instagram it does not work anymore. There are better ways to grow your following, and yeah, now when I get into the video I'm going to explain all of that, and also I'm going to show you and explain you how Pinterest works and also how you can get traffic with Pinterest. Actually, it's not Pinterest and Instagram are not to be confused because they both are social medias which involve images, but they do not work the same. Yes, Pinterest is a visual search engine, and Instagram is a social media where you share photos and you get followers, and yeah, like it's Pinterest, you can add followers, but it's a search engine. Yes, you can the purpose of Pinterest is to search something and to get an images based on what you input it on the search tab. So yes, on the search bar. So with that said, I'm going to show you how to actually get followers, or in the case of Pinterest, how to get traffic with your pins, and in the case of Instagram, how to grow your followings so that then you build trust and then you can sell your TeeSpring product. Yes, this is obviously based on the article I read of TeeSpring, but I'm going to add my view on it because I actually know how to grow an Instagram page, and actually obviously I know how to get traffic with it. Yes, so remember to stay until the end so that you obviously see all the tips that I'm going to mention and you don't miss anything. And also, if you like this video and more of my content, and you would love to see other of my content, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video, and you also obviously get notified for more affiliate marketing content, more make money online ideas, and the best online marketing content that there is out there in YouTube. Yes, so guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into the video. Now, let's first go to TeeSpring and actually let's choose a product to launch and design. And remember, I have a video on how to do that. I will leave that on the upper right corner. But basically, you have to create your own store. You have to create your own products on TeeSpring. TeeSpring is not going to create your product. The only thing that TeeSpring does is when you give them the design of the t-shirt, of the hoodie, or any other product you chose and made the design for, they will ship the product to the one who bought from your store, and you won't and they will take a commission of it. Obviously, they have the inventory, and you don't have to handle inventory, you don't have to handle customer service. They do all that for you, so that the only thing you can focus on is on creating designs and selling t-shirts or apparel or clothing. Yes, so Teespring is a great service to take advantage on because they take the worst part of selling t-shirt this, or they take the worst part of clothing selling, or yes, or of clothing selling, like, and that is, as I mentioned, customer service, uh, the clientele being obviously mad at you because maybe you didn't ship on the right time, and the only thing you should focus on is obviously on creating the product, yes, and selling it, nothing more. They take care of all the tedious stuff. Yes, so let's create a unisex t-shirt so that you can see obviously how this works. Let's go with the classic tee. Oh, here it tells you it ships from both USA and the United Union. You can choose where the inventory is going to be. And here obviously you will choose sell because you're going to create a design and then you're going to sell it. You can obviously choose a design and buy it for yourself, but I think that's pretty useless. Now, if you watch the other video I made on how to make money with Teespring, is that in order to create the design, you'll have to add your image. Yes, you have to add an image. They don't allow you to create the design within the platform. Yes, so you will have to create the design on another platform. That could be Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. But obviously, if you don't have design skills, you'll have to outsource the design. And the way to outsource the design is to go to Fiverr.com and ask for someone to create a t-shirt design. And there are thousands of services here on Fiverr for them to create you a t-shirt design. Yes, let me, well, it's not loading. I didn't know what was happening with Fiverr, but it was taking a lot to load, and it's taking a lot to load. I don't know what's happening, but well, to do that, then go to the service t-shirt design, and then Fiverr will give you results based on what you search. Obviously, well, Fiverr is not loading that good. Well, so here you can see there are a lot of good t-shirt designers. For example, they can make you like this type of designs. You can create a lot of designs here, and then once they give you the image with the design with the PNG, you just go back to Teespring. You go back to Teespring and you just go here to add image. You go back to add image, and here you will add the image that the vendor on Fiverr designed for you. Yes, obviously specify what the design was going to be about, your brand, what the design has to say, the words. Don't just tell them, hey, create me a t-shirt design. Obviously they will create something random. Just know what you want to create. Now let's go into depth on how to promote the product you created or the store that you created on your Instagram page. Yes, we're going to Instagram, then we're going to Pinterest. Yes, let's go to my Instagram and let's see how I actually my content. Now, the first step you should do to grow your Instagram first is to have good content. Yes, provide value. Once you start providing value, people will start to see you as an authority and they will start liking your content. You see that, well, I'm not getting that much likes here, but recently, well, for example, this one got 233 likes and 8 comments. That's a lot. But if you provide good content, people will let you know and they will start liking you and they will start following you. And if they follow you, that means that they will like your content. And obviously, if they like your content, then once you promote a product and they know who you are, obviously they will trust you, and some of those people who follow you, they will buy your merch. Yes, that's how it is. That's how internet marketing works. Yes, once you have the trust of your following will trust you back with anything you promote, with anything you say, and they will back it up. Obviously, if you just say like something stupid, that is morally wrong, obviously not the following will not be okay with that. Yes, but if you say something good that motivates people, that makes them want to follow you back, then they will trust you, they will buy your merch, they will buy anything you promote. Yes, I know I have a lot of posts, but that's because back in the day I made a post very differently. When I started doing the Instagram game, I wasn't very good at creating posts as this post that I've created. Let me show if I can show you the post that I made before, but the posts weren't good. Yes, so that's why I have a lot of posts. I was creating content that was not good, and obviously that reflected on my results, and I wasn't getting that much followers. Yes, but the strategy I use to grow my following is actually going to the bigger pages similar to my niche. For example, financial professional. That's a good page. Okay, that was the page. The page is called financial professional. What I did is I created another account, or I go with my personal account, which is Stefano, and I'm not going to say my surname, but Stefano Cherry, I don't care. So I went to the post of for example, this post, and I went with my other account, Stefano, with my personal account, and hey, I like your content. It's really similar to the one from The Affiliate Hustler, and where it says The Affiliate Hustler, I tagged obviously my affiliate marketing account, my theme page. Yes, and I like the comment with the other account, and The Affiliate Hustler. I like the comment with also The Affiliate Hustler account, so it has to like. And why do you have to like the comment? Because if you like the comment, it will have more possibilities of being at the top of the comment section, and obviously when people see that comment, they will click on the tag where you tag The Affiliate Hustler or your theme page account, and they will see your account. And because this profile has 6,000 followers, 600,000 followers, that's a lot. Yes, and you have more possibilities of people seeing your account, and they will obviously follow you back if they like what you upload or the content you upload. Yes. Another strategy is to go to these big pages also and ask them and pay them for a shout out. Yes, that's the general rule of thumb. If you have money to invest, go to big theme pages that are bigger than yours and ask them for their prices on the DMs and say, hey, I want to do a shout out, please let me know your prices. And then you organize a shout out, you pay them via PayPal, and they shout out your account. Yes, those are the two ways to grow your account. One, it's free and organic, it's not very moral, and the other one, it's just investing money to be shouted out, sorry. And then we go to Pinterest. Yes, let's go to Pinterest. And I'm going to if you didn't watch my video on how to promote or grow traffic on Pinterest, click on the upright corner. But it's basically very simple. In order to get traffic with your pin on Pinterest, because to create a pin you have to go here. Once you create your account, create pin, you have to obviously do a research on the keyword you want to rank for. It's like Google search and it's like Google SEO. Yes. So for example, if you want to rank on how to make money with, and it will give you, for example, related results. So always go for the long-term keywords. For example, how to make money with Instagram, and you will see that there will be a lot of pins. Yes. So in order to rank for these pins, you'll have to put on the title of the pin the exact same keyword that you want to rank for, and also on the description include hashtags and include the keyword you want to rank for. So if we go to this pin, you'll see that they will have the keyword how to make money with Instagram. Okay, so if it does not have the keyword, then it means you have more possibilities to rank for, and this means that the search results are not actually that true. But for example, this pin has the keyword make money on Instagram. Yes, so but it does not have the keyword how to make money with Instagram. So for example, discover 5 greatest and make money with Instagram. So this pin is actually ranking for make money on Instagram. So you have more possibilities of ranking on this keyword because no one is ranking actually on how to make money with Instagram. Well, oh, okay. So this one is ranking for how to make money on Instagram. Yes. So what you could do is create a pin, put that on the title the same keyword, and also put the keyword on the description. Yes, and that's with that said, if you have a lot of monthly viewers and your Pinterest account is getting traffic daily, and I explained how to do that in the other video, then you should be able to rank for a long tail keyword on Pinterest. Yes, that's how you should get traffic. Free organic traffic. So if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below what you think. Also hit the like button so that you help me with the YouTube algorithm. And guys, remember to watch other of my content, and I will be seeing you till next video.